What's the secret behind some of the greatest fighters in history? What tool did they use, day in and day out, to hone their agility, stamina, and sheer power? The answer might surprise you. It's not some high-tech gadget or specialized training machine. It's something simple, something you might remember from your childhood: a jump rope, the legend of Roberto Duran. Roberto Duran, a legend in the world of boxing, wasn't born with a silver spoon in his mouth. Growing up in the harsh streets of Panama, luxury was a foreign concept. But with grit, determination, and a jump rope, he carved out his destiny. In the unforgiving heat of Panama, Duran learned to fight not just for sport, but for survival. Duran was known to indulge between fights, his weight sometimes ballooning up to 200 pounds. But when it was time to get back in shape, he knew exactly what to do. With a rigorous training routine and his trusty jump rope, Duran often shed up to 50 pounds or more in preparation for his bouts. The jump rope became his weapon, a tool as vital as his gloves. For Duran, the jump rope wasn't just a tool, it was his favorite way to train. He found joy in it, even as he pushed his body to the limit. His skill with the rope became legendary, his squat jump technique setting a standard that would later be adopted by another boxing icon, Mike Tyson. The rope became a symbol of his discipline, his relentless pursuit of greatness. Why jump rope? So, why is the jump rope such a powerful tool? What makes it a staple in the training regimens of top athletes across the globe? Jumping rope is not just about burning calories, though it certainly does that too. It's about creating a springy lightness in your step, a hallmark of a skilled athlete. It's about developing that rhythm, that coordination between your feet, hands, and breath. It's about building a foundation of fitness that can transform your entire body. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the jump rope is an incredibly effective tool. It's portable, affordable, and most importantly, it works. From improving cardiovascular health to enhancing coordination, the benefits of jumping rope are as varied as they are profound. The benefits of jumping rope. Let's talk benefits. When you jump rope, you're doing more than just moving your body. You're engaging your mind, pulling yourself into the present moment, away from the stresses of daily life. That's the magic of this simple tool. It's not just a workout. It's a form of meditation in motion. But the physical benefits are undeniable. Jumping rope burns calories at a rate comparable to running, and it's easy to scale up the intensity. Want to challenge yourself? Add in more difficult techniques or use a weighted rope to increase resistance. You'll find that just a few minutes a day can lead to significant improvements in your overall fitness. In just 10 minutes of jumping rope, you can burn as many calories as running an 8-minute mile. But the benefits go beyond calorie burning. Jumping rope improves cardiovascular health, increases stamina, and builds muscle tone throughout the body. And then there's the skill factor. The jump rope isn't just about mindlessly burning calories. It's about mastering a skill, challenging your body and mind in new ways. As you progress, you'll find yourself performing advanced techniques that not only improve your fitness, but also boost your confidence. The science behind the rope. Where jump rope truly shines is in its impact on your cardiovascular system. A study conducted by Arizona State University in 2013 revealed that just 10 minutes of daily jump rope can provide the same aerobic benefits as 30 minutes of running. That's efficiency at its finest. But it doesn't stop there. Jumping rope has been shown to increase bone density, a critical benefit for both athletes who are prone to injuries and older adults who are concerned about osteoporosis. The impact of jumping, when done correctly, stimulates bone growth, and helps prevent the loss of bone mass. And there's more. This exercise also supports your immune system by promoting lymphatic drainage, helping to keep your body's defenses strong. The up and down motion of jumping rope acts like a pump, aiding in the circulation of lymph fluid, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Athletic enhancement through jump rope. From an athletic perspective, jumping rope is unparalleled in its ability to enhance explosiveness in the lower body. The quickness, the agility, the stamina, it all starts with the rope. Athletes in every sport, from boxing to basketball, have found that incorporating jump rope into their training regimen gives them an edge in performance. And let's not forget the shoulders. The repetitive motion of the rope builds endurance, a key factor for sports like boxing and martial arts, where shoulder fatigue can make or break a match. The constant motion of spinning the rope strengthens the muscles in the shoulders and arms, improving overall endurance and reducing the risk of injury. One of the lesser-known benefits of jumping rope is its ability to improve unilateral stability. By working one leg at a time, jump rope exercises enhance balance and coordination, critical components of athletic performance. Whether you're a runner looking to improve your stride or a soccer player aiming for better control, the jump rope has something to offer. How to get started with jumping rope. So how do you get started? If you're new to jumping rope, don't worry. It's a skill that can be learned with practice, patience, and persistence. Start with the basics. Single jumps, focusing on finding your rhythm and timing. As you become more comfortable, you can add in more advanced techniques like crisscrosses or double unders. It's important to choose the right rope, one that suits your height and skill level. A good rule of thumb is to stand on the middle of the rope with both feet and pull the handles up to your chest. The handles should reach just below your armpits for the rope to be the right length. There are different types of ropes to choose from. Speed ropes for faster, more intense workouts, or weighted ropes for building strength. Find one that feels comfortable and suits your goals. And remember, like any skill, consistency is key. Aim for at least 10 minutes a day to start and gradually increase your time as you progress. The transformative power of jumping rope testimonial 1. I started jumping rope as a way to mix up my cardio routine, and I was amazed at how quickly I saw results. Not only did I lose weight, but my endurance skyrocketed. It's become my go-to workout. Quick, effective, and fun. Testimonial 2. As someone who was never into fitness, I was surprised at how much I enjoyed jumping rope. It's challenging, but not overwhelming, and the sense of accomplishment I get after each session keeps me coming back. I've never felt stronger or more confident. Testimonial 3. I've always struggled with knee pain, so running was out of the question for me. Jumping rope has been a game changer. It's low impact, and I get all the benefits of a high-intensity workout without the strain on my joints. I'm in the best shape of my life, and I owe it all to the jump rope. These are just a few of the countless stories of transformation through jumping rope. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build endurance, or simply add a new challenge to your fitness routine, the jump rope is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. The journey to fitness is not about the destination, but about the steps you take along the way. With a jump rope in hand, those steps become lighter, more rhythmic, and more rewarding. So why wait? Pick up a rope, start your journey, and discover the incredible benefits that await you. Ready to take the first step? Grab a jump rope and join the movement. Remember to subscribe and like this video for more amazing content that will keep you motivated on your fitness journey. Let's jump to a healthier, stronger you.